Portable tennis ball basket. Hold 75 tennis balls with a special no-spill lid, tennis balls not included. Durable plated steel construction. Handles convert to lockable legs. Some assembly required, tool included. Tennis balls not included. Top reviews from the United States. This product is amazing. We came up with an unsual app. My mother has very limited mobility, but every day she goes outside and throws mini squeaky tennis balls for her Shih Tzu. The only problem is that while the dog loves to chase the balls, she does not like bringing them back. So my mom has to go out into the backyard and pick all the balls, which is very difficult for her. Then I came up with this great idea. I bought the tennis ball pickup hopper for her. The mini balls are too small and will fall through the bottom of the hopper, but if you turn the hopper over and reverse the handles, it works great. Now my mom does not have to bend over to pick up all the tennis balls. This product has really helped my mom. Thank you so much.